Hello everyone, good morning. In this video, I'm going to share with you my exercise for burpee. And let's do this. Lower squat is in this number. Wala akong ganang mag-exercise yung legs ko. Kunti lang ang nagagawa ko. Ang content ko lang ang ginagawa ko. Hindi talaga ako pinapawisan ngayon ng todo. Kahit na mainit. Nagbukoy ko mga hindi ko makita yung mga post ko. Kasi hirap mo lang. So, dapat lang ganyan. Okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching and please follow me. I'll see you in the next exercise. Have a good day everyone. Thank you so much.